Welcome to our guide on creating professional interior design. Let's transform your space together. Define your goals and gather inspiration. Curate a mood board online for a vision board. Measure your rooms and optimize layout for better flow. Create a floor plan online for efficiency. Select key furniture pieces and add personality with rugs and artwork. Make your space uniquely yours. Maximize natural light through unobstructed windows. Layer artificial lighting for a cozy ambiance. Enhance your space with thoughtful lighting choices. Create depth and warmth with layered lighting. Personalize your design to reflect your style and needs. Let your space tell your story. Craft a space that resonates with you. Your home should be a reflection of your personality. Design with intention and purpose. Every element should contribute to the overall harmony. Create a space that inspires and rejuvenates you daily. Your environment shapes your well-being.